Welcome to our latest video on the potential of virtual reality, VR, in the military and defense industries. VR technology has already made significant contributions to the field of military training and simulation, and its potential for further development and application is enormous. In this video, we'll explore the ways in which VR is transforming military training and simulation, and we'll discuss the potential for even more significant advancements in the future. One of the most significant benefits of VR technology in the military is its ability to provide realistic and immersive training environments for soldiers. With VR simulations, soldiers can practice real-world scenarios in a safe and controlled environment, which can help to improve their skills and reduce the risks associated with live training exercises. VR technology can also simulate scenarios that are difficult or impossible to replicate in real life, such as extreme weather conditions or complex battlefield environments. Another benefit of VR technology in the military is its potential for cost savings. Traditional military training exercises can be expensive and time-consuming, requiring the use of equipment, personnel, and facilities. By using VR simulations, the military can reduce these costs and resources while still providing effective training. In addition to training and simulation, VR technology has the potential to be used in a variety of military applications, such as mission planning and analysis, communication, and even combat. VR technology can provide soldiers with real-time situational awareness and data visualization, allowing them to make better informed decisions on the battlefield. One of the most exciting potential applications of VR technology in the military is in the development of autonomous vehicles and drones. By using VR simulations, engineers can design and test autonomous vehicles and drones in a safe and controlled environment, which can help to reduce the risks associated with live testing. Of course, there are also challenges and concerns associated with the use of VR technology in the military. One of the most significant challenges is the need to ensure the security of the technology, particularly in the context of cyber warfare. It's essential to develop robust security measures to protect against cyber threats and to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information. Another concern is the potential impact of VR on the mental and emotional well-being of soldiers. While VR simulations can provide a safe and controlled environment for training, they can also be incredibly realistic and immersive, potentially leading to psychological stress and trauma. It's important for the military to develop strategies for mitigating these risks and providing adequate mental health support for soldiers. Despite these challenges, the potential for VR in the military and defense industries is enormous. With its ability to provide realistic and immersive training environments, cost savings, and a variety of potential applications, VR technology is sure to continue to transform the field of military training and simulation in exciting new ways. In conclusion, VR technology has the potential to revolutionize military training and simulation, providing soldiers with realistic and immersive environments for practice and preparation. While there are challenges and concerns associated with the use of VR technology in the military, the potential benefits are enormous, including cost savings, improved situational awareness, and enhanced mission planning and execution. We hope you've enjoyed this video on the potential of VR in the military and defense industries. If you want to stay up to date on the latest developments in VR technology, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more.